looking pretty good. Of course, right now we are live in downtown High Point at the Children's Museum, which gets underway. The grand opening is this weekend, and we've got Megan here, who is the executive director. And if you can go ahead and step over this way here. And so this is a big deal for High Point, and I believe that there's about 75,000 square feet in this building, 2 levels.
That's right. We're packed with over a dozen exhibits that focus on science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. And we have a water play area that's indoors. We have this beautiful double-decker carousel that people are excited about. A town that's modeled after High Point that's just kid-size. And a whole lot more.
And this has been a project that's been kind of developing since, what, 2017?
That's right.
So it's been several years, and the grand opening is this Saturday. What time can folks come down?
Well, we start at 10 a.m. We open our doors at 10 a.m. We have a few tickets left, but we've mostly sold out for Saturday. Sunday will be open as well.
Okay, so you have to get tickets to come in?
Yes.
And where can they go to get tickets?
They go to www.QbeinChildren'sMuseum.org, and that's Qubein.
Okay. All right, Megan, thank you so much. That's going to do it for us here. I'm Chief Meteorologist Jonathan Wendt, live in High Point.